Board of Health members learned on November 18th that the preliminary budget Town Manager Jody Ross is working on does not include funding for the position of a substance abuse prevention coordinator. The position has been vacant since Ray Peachey retired in late summer.
What? Wait a minute. What do you mean?
So I
remember she wanted to take it over.
Right, and it has now been completely cut. Really? Because I went to her and I said, you know what, I don't think we can wait to fill this job. And we talked about that last month. And I submitted my budget, and I got my town manager recommended budget back Friday afternoon, and it has been cut.
Oh.
So I sat down with her Friday afternoon, and I let her know that, hey, we've got some pretty ridiculous stats on what's happening in the town. 27 deaths in town related to opioid, alcohol, or suicide since 2016.
Oh my God.
3 non-death opioids in the past year, and 900 people have used Interface in all the
1,000.
It's up to 1,000 now. So since its inception, and I think in 11. And that position is now no longer funded. There are at least 6 kids in the schools that were caught with vape devices that now there's nobody working with the SRO to do that. And her reasoning is she's got a mandate from the selectmen to fill police and fire. And she hasn't filled all of them, and she needs to find a way to do so.
According to the Town of Westford website, the coordinator is responsible for developing and implementing alcohol, tobacco, and other drug prevention-related programs and enforcing Westford's tobacco regulations. The board members agreed to attend a finance committee meeting to support Stevens in his effort to fund the position. Budget discussions begin December 9th and continue until the end of January. Chairman Zach Cataldo noted cutting the position could cost the town more money than filling it.
Like, if you just want to look at it from cost savings, this is going to save the town money, because when you have to bring in police and fire, you're spending a lot more than if you prevent that from happening in the first place.
Exactly,
So
that's what I was
if you just want to even
thinking.
throw out, just look at it from an economics point of view, this is a money saver.
In an email, Ross stated, "Unfortunately, this is a tight budget year, and I was not able to fund all requests. I felt the open police and fire positions were a higher priority and consistent with the Select Board's budget policy direction." Ross said the Select Board charged her with adding personnel to the police and fire departments. After the fiscal 2021 budget, I will have 1 police officer and 3 more firefighter paramedics to fill, she stated. Fiscal 2021 begins July 1st. I'm Joyce Polino Crane. You're watching WestfordCAT News.